and the Spirit of God was hovering over the face of the waters. Genesis 1 verse 2. Before anything was restored, before light spoke, before order came, the Spirit searched. He hovered. He moved. The Holy Spirit is not confused. He does not guess. He searches the deep things, the lost things, the hidden things. There was a time I lost my apartment keys. I searched everywhere with my strength and found nothing. Then I invited the Holy Spirit. Instantly, a gentle voice said, "Look left on the grass." I had checked there before, yet there they were. Same place, new sight. That is how he works. There was another time, while reading Genesis, questions rose in my heart about creation. I asked men, no answers. Then I asked the Holy Spirit. What followed was not a dream, but a trance. Revelation flooded my spirit, clear and unforgettable. Till today, it stays with me. He searches beyond books, beyond minds, beyond logic. He reveals what eyes cannot see and what minds cannot reach. If you let him, he will guide you into truth, locate answers, and uncover what is lost. The Holy Spirit, the search engine on Become the Sermon.